Hi everyone, I'm here. Hope you have a great day today. So I'm here to talk about the makeup that I have, and I just bought a couple weeks ago, and let's go. Let's start it. First is this Nude by Nature. Actually, this one, I received this as a gift. Yep, this one. It's so nice. See? And they have different brushes for eyes, for lips, for concealer, whatever. Okay, so I will try to open it this for you guys for you to see what's inside. There you go. Whoops. And these are the inside. Whoops. Anyway, it's really cute. This is kabuki brush. Oh, it's so cute. It's so soft. Go. And this one is 7 pieces, which is not bad for the price, because I saw this half price somewhere. And another, this one, Nude Complexion Essential Starter Kit, which is, I don't have idea how to use this. So I will open it for you to see what's inside. Which is, this is medium. Oh, that's so nice. Very cute. There you go. They have some here, pocket, another here. Oh, they comes with a brush again, which is, yeah, same like this one here. I know. No, this is different. There we go. And it's so cute packaging. It's like this. And this is the bag. Oh, it's so cute. What's inside is, whoops. What is this? Okay. Thing bronzer. And the other one is finishing mineral finishing veil. That one. And I don't have idea how to use this. And that one is what is that? Natural mineral cover. Maybe this is powder foundation. And so little cute liquid mineral concealer. There you go. And that's the last is airbrush mineral primer. Okay, so cute. There you go. And another I bought is the L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes, which is this one. Just I use this just now. There you go. And Maybelline Dream Cushion, which is I love this. I like this. I like this. And another, the one from Maybelline too, is the Nudes eyeshadows. Yeah, I use this too much. And not too much. And this one, the Revlon contour kit highlights in medium tan kit. So there you go. Okay, I will open it for you guys. I haven't used this yet because I don't know how to use it, but anyway, I'm sure I can put this on my face. So cute. Books. There you go. And that's the cock. Sorry. And that's the back. And this is the front. And this is the inside. There you go. So cute. And to put it back. Where is it? Like this. Yeah. There you go, guys. That's it for today. I did color my nail just now. This one coat. And yeah, this is Sally Hansen, which is I love the color of Sally Hansen. And I added with a quick shiny top coat, and that's it. That's all for today. Hope you had a good day, and hope this video you like it. I know it's not perfect, but I try my best. See ya. Bye bye.